See what will happen to your body if you drink warm water with sea salt every morning. Modern science recommends that you should drink 1 glass of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sea salt every day. Yes, natural salt is good for you. If you heard stories that salt is bad for you, they're probably talking about the sodium chloride refined salt. An average person today consumes about 10 grams of salt per day, which is usually sodium chloride. Problems with salt consumption have people who use refined table salt and eat lots of processed foods, which contain high amounts of refined salt. But, the actual truth is, unrefined salt is actually good for you. It helps to balance blood sugar, helps keep bones strong, regulates metabolism, boosts the immune system, and more. Natural salt provides a number of nutrients and minerals in a form the body recognizes and knows how to use. Over 80 trace minerals found in the naturally filtered salt water used to create unrefined sea salt give it its vital grayish color, and its slight moistness keeps the salt and minerals in a form that the body can utilize effectively. You should drink a glass of warm water with some sea salt in it every day. The positive ions in the salt surround the negative ions of the water molecules and vice versa. This creates a new structure that has an electrical charge, which is easily absorbed by the body. Water is no longer water and salt is no longer salt. Drinking a mixture of natural salt and water is nothing new, it has been used as a remedy around the globe for centuries. How you should drink it: you should pour warm water in a glass and 1 to 2 teaspoons of unrefined, sea salt. You can put as much as your stomach can handle. There is no precise amount specified. You can measure the amount you've used today, so you can use the same amount the next day. You should drink a glass warm water with some sea salt every morning for a week, and then take 1 week break. You can repeat this method as long as you can. What are the benefits of drinking a glass of warm water with sea salt every day? Hydration. Yes, we are told to drink more water, and while most people do need to drink more water, it is possible to drink too much. Consuming water with natural sea salt allows the body to absorb and use the water you are taking in. Drinking water all the time is much the same, we just keep on peeing and drinking. A little natural salt in water slows this process down and allows all the goodness of the water to be absorbed and used. Digestion. Salt water begins to activate salivary glands in the mouth, releasing amylase. This initial step in the digestive process is highly important. In the stomach, natural salt stimulates hydrochloric acid and a protein digesting enzyme, both of which help to break down food. Sleep. The trace minerals in unrefined salt calm the nervous system. Salt is known to reduce cortisol and adrenaline, 2 dangerous stress hormones. This can promote a better night's sleep. Detoxification. Because of the rich minerals in salt water, it helps the body in its natural detoxification process. The salt water is also naturally antibacterial and can therefore help rid the body of dangerous bacteria. Bone health. A popular theory regarding osteoporosis and other bone disorders is that the body uses calcium and other minerals from the bones in order to survive and neutralize acidity in the blood. Because salt water is full of naturally healthy minerals and has an alkalinizing effect, it is thought to help improve bone health. Skin. Natural salt contains minerals that can help your skin look and feel its best. Chromium fights acne and reduces skin infections. Sulfur keeps skin clean and smooth, and can help a dry scalp, eczema and rashes that are often a result of a sulfur deficiency. Zinc promotes rapid healing of wounds, boosts the immune system, and regulates the activity of oil glands. Iodine helps increase oxygen consumption and the metabolic rate of the skin. Minerals. We all know that minerals are the foundation to sound nutrition and health. Without them, no other system in the body works as it should. And, as we mentioned in this article, salt water is high in minerals. So, you should definitely try this amazing salty water drink. Drink it for a week, and you will feel much better.